Hi guys, today we're going to be playing School Party Craft. Get into someone's car. Stop them. What? No! Oh, are you okay? Hi. I just wanted to see if you're okay. Say hi. See you later. Ooh, that's a nice looking car. Yeah. Wait, wait, wait. Oh, I need a car. Oh, yeah. I forgot where it is. Oh, let's pick up the garbage. What? Yeah, there's coins over here. Yeah, let's go. Oh yeah, we can also fly an aeroplane. But I don't know that. I need to get up. Yeah. Cool. Okay. What this one do? We need a car. I need a car to drive to my home because I have a car in my home. It's blue. So yeah, let's hop into this car. Yeah, don't get me straight, but it's really hard to drive a car. So let's what? Okay, when did this happen? Let's go in here, see if there's someone else in my house. Oh, there's an ad coming. Yeah, Yeah, this game has lots of ads to get us bonus. But they're short. Okay. It's snowing, it's super cool. Okay, I'm swimming. Who's that? Hello? Who are you? Whatever. I need to get inside and sleep. It's getting really cold out there. And yeah, I also have a room. Yeah, this is my room. I really think I should change my bed, but whatever. I'll just go to sleep until morning. Yeah. Maybe today we should go and change a new bed. Yeah. Okay, let's go look for a new bed. Okay, let's go look for a new bed. Go to the garage. Dust. Now we're gonna go look for a bed. Where is the bed? Okay. So these are the beds. We have this one, that one. Something yeah, this one. And this one. And okay. Now there's another ad. What? What? Seriously? This game. Come on, what is the problem? Let's get home. Okay, let's go. I really should put those pictures. But later. What? Get up. Okay. Move the bed. And we're gonna put furniture here. And there, okay. But I can't sleep over here. I need a bed. Oh, I can only buy one time. Okay. Just have to rush to the market again. So perfect. Hurry up, hurry up. There's the market. Here's the furniture. Open. Yeah, let's go. Okay, let's go. Oh, I hate that. Okay, come on. Okay. What? Okay, whatever. Okay, guys, I think that's it for today's video. See you guys later.